I was confused between the new Himalayan and Scrambler 400X, which one would suit me better. Also, the fact that I ride a lot in the city and also want to do frequent long rides. The new Himalayan is a very good machine for long rides, highways, and off roading, but quite a struggle when it comes to city traffic. It's like riding a 2 BHK. So now I'm very clear that I'll be going ahead with Scrambler 400X. So I booked it. Woohoo! Finally got the bike and I'm going home riding it. Super happy. After riding Ronin, I feel this is like I'm sitting on the first floor. Good view of the traffic ahead. Oh yeah, it's a nice Saturday morning, but these patches are really bad. ये थुकपट्टी का काम होता है. But yeah, the bike is managing quite well. The Eastern Express Highway and Western Express Highways are poles apart. यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक कितना कम है, whereas Western Express Highway is always crawling with traffic. So let me just dive into the service road. So the advantage of getting into the service road on the Eastern Express Highway is you can skip a few signals. Oh, nice greenery on both sides. Majorly on the left side. It feels nice. It's a humid day though, but the wind is nice. The fuel tank is matte finish, so to avoid any scratches on it, so I got the PPF done a couple of days back and it looks gorgeous. This is my favorite road. It's the old Bombay-Pune Road. I somehow never have liked the expressway. This is a much better road in terms of lesser traffic, lesser heavy vehicles on this road. This is a very smooth road, a lot of greenery around, less traffic. But the only thing is there are some speed breakers which are quite annoying, but hello there. This is more fun than expressway. Yes, you have to slow down a bit because there are village crossings and junctions and all of that, and plus the speed breaker as well. But this road has more character. It is more greener, it has more curves. Oh, I like curves. And riding on the Khandala Ghat on the old Bombay-Pune highway is much more fun than riding or driving on expressway. There's a lot of traffic on expressway. Yay, one more scrambler. So this is like the red car theory. The vehicle that you own, you will find a lot of them suddenly on the streets. You see this guy riding in the middle of the road. Now left mein, na right mein. I don't know why people do that. This is what I don't like. You're cruising at a nice speed on a clear highway, and you're having fun, you're singing to yourself, and then there are these idiots who break the rhythm. It is so irritating. यार गर्मी ने हालत ख़राब कर दी. It's a hot and humid day, but the bike ride is blissful and the wind is taking care of all the heat and the humidity.